Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about another formula which is useful in fixed income securities business, that is price. So let us try to understand this formula. The syntax of this formula is price and the variables used are settlement date, maturity date, rate, yield, redemption price, frequency and basis. Now this particular price formula is useful only when the security is paying periodic interest. So that means the coupons are being paid in between, and the price function can be used to determine the clean price of a bond. Now what is the clean price of the bond? Where the accrued interest is not taken into consideration. So the price of the bond excluding the accrued interest is called clean price. Now let us move ahead. So settlement date is the date when the present buyer of the security has purchased this security, and from this date onward he has the right to receive the coupon. Maturity date is the original maturity date of the security, on which date the security is going to expire and the investors are going to get back their money. Rate is the security's annual coupon rate, and yield is the security's annual yield. Then redemption price of the security is the final price which the investor is going to get. Then frequency, the number of coupons per year. Whether it is only annual coupon, then we have to take 1. If it is semi-annual coupon, we have to take 2. And if it is quarterly coupon, then we have to take 4. And then the basis is the day count convention. And generally we use 30 by 360 in the fixed income security market. That is a US convention. It means that every month is being uniformly treated as of 30 days. Though we see that February month particularly, which is sometimes of 28 days, sometimes of 29 days, and some months are of 31 days also, but for calculation of coupon etc., we use commonly, we assume that every month will be of 30 days if we use the day count convention of 30 by 360. Similarly, in Indian market, we also use actual by 365 also as a basis. Now here is an example. You can see the settlement date of a bond is 1st of May 2021. This bond was originally issued on 1st of January 2021, and maturity date of this bond is 31st December 2025. So issued on 1st January 21, this present buyer has acquired it on 1st May 21, and final maturity is on 31st December 25. The annual coupon rate is 5.5. The annual yield is 6.5. Redemption price is 100. That means generally bonds are issued at a discount rate. So redemption price will be the final face value, which will be 100. Generally for G-Secs. And coupon payment frequency is semi-annual 2. And day count convention we are using is actual, this 30 by 360. So let us work out the price of security. So from function tab, select the price formula. Price, and then this you have to input these data. So settlement date is 1st May 21, maturity date is 31st December 25, rate is the security's annual rate, so that is 5.5%. Yield is the security's annual yield, that is 6.5%. Then redemption price, we are assuming it to be 100. You can put the actual also here. And then frequency is 2 and basis is 0. And you can get that the present price of this security on the date when this new investor has acquired it should be 96.022. So I hope this formula is clear to you. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe.